What's up, guys? So in a previous video we mentioned how tax brackets don't tax your entire income on one percentage but tax everything gradually as you make more money. The example we gave then was pretty minor, but we thought it'd be pretty cool if we modeled it again on a bigger scale. Now, we didn't mention it so much in the past, but when paying income tax you pay it twice, both to the federal and provincial government. That's why we said earlier that your income tax also depends on where you live in Canada. Now, this example we're giving is going to be really simplified for time purposes. We're assuming that all my taxable income comes from the same source and is taxed the same. We are also not taking into account any tax deductions, which are basically chances for one to pay less tax. So let's get into it. You're going to help me with my income. Help guess what my taxes are going to be. Let's say that my total income for the year is, let me find my pencil. It is $110,000 for the year. That's how much income I accumulated. However, out of that, 10%, no, not 10%, $10,000 of it was an inheritance. So I don't get taxed on it. So therefore, that leaves me with $100,000 that we need to calculate tax for, both federally and provincially. So we're going to start with the federal one. So let's just vote. In the corner here, we're going to have our federal tax bracket. So for the first $49-ish thousand, you pay 15%. And then all the dollars in between 49,000 and 98,000, you pay this much. And then so on. So we're going to start, since we have $100,000, we're going to be in between 98,000 and 151,000. So we're going to be in the third tax bracket, meaning we're going to have to make 3 calculations and add them all together. So let's start with the first calculation. $100,000, we made at least $49,020 today. So we're gonna calculate 15% on our first $49,020. So we'll just go $49,020. Oh my god, the focus is pretty bad. Sorry about that. $49,020 times 15%. That is, gotta love a calculator. 15%. When you're doing this, make sure you multiply the decimal. That is $7,353. So that's how much money we get from the first tax bracket. Now, in our second tax bracket, we have all the money in between $49,000 and $98,000 and $40. Now, because we make $100,000, which is more than this, we're going to be calculating all the money in between, all the dollars in between. Kind of hard to explain, but you kind of get it. For example, $49,020 plus $49,020 is $98,040. So we're going to be calculating 20.5% on the $49,000 in between $49,000 and $98,000. So $49,020 times 20.5%. So let's get the calculator. What is it? 49,000 and I'll turn off my light because that's being annoying. Times 0.205 is $10,049.10. And now finally our third tax bracket. So this is all the money in between $98,040 and $151,978. We'll pay 26% on this. Now, we make $100,000, which is in between $98,040 and $151,978. So we're not going to be paying all the money that's in here. So to calculate how much money we're paying 26% on, we would be subtracting $100,000 sorry for the focus, minus equals, yeah, I need a calculator for that. $19.60. So we're going to be paying 26% on $1,960. So let's do that. That is $509.60. So if we add them all up here, we're finished calculating how much money we need in every tax bracket. So if you add it all together, the tax we pay on the first tax bracket, what is it? 7,353 plus 10,049.1. That's from the second tax bracket, remember? And then finally 509.60 07 9 18 19 20 21 2 7 11 11 4 is 9 7 1. So this is how much we're paying in federal tax. So to the Canadian government, we pay $17,911.70. So we got that. Now let's move on to our Ontario tax brackets. So basically what we're doing is the exact same process, and in addition to the federal stuff, we're going to be paying this Ontario tax bracket. So once again, we're at $100,000, which is in between $90,000 and $150,000. So we're going to be doing 3 calculations for 3 different tax brackets. Oh gosh, the lighting, sorry. So the first one is $45,142. On the first $45,000, we pay 5.05%. So let's multiply and see how much money we pay in the first tax bracket. Times 5.05%. What is it again? 45,142 times 0.0505. Okay, so we're not going to round for now. We can do that at the very end. Equals $2,279.67.1. Now the second tax bracket, on all the money in between $45,000 and $90,000, we pay 9.15%. So to calculate how much money we're actually paying, it would be 90.7 minus. That would be 5, 4, 1, and 45. So on this amount of money, we're paying 9.15%. So 45,145 times 9.15% is 45,145 times 0.0915. Yeah. Equals $4,130 and 7. Yeah, I know cents is up to 2 decimal places, but we'll just leave it now. That way we can add it all together and round it up for more accuracy. In our final tax bracket, we make $100,000 that's to be taxed. but that's less than $150,000. So we're not gonna be subtracting 90,000 from 150,000 to find out how much we're being taxed on in the third bracket. Instead, we're going to subtract 100,000 minus 90,287. I have no shame, so calculator time. That is $9,713 that we're gonna tax 11% on. $9,713. So 9,713 times our third rate, 11.16%, equals $1,083 and then 9,708. So just like we did with the federal tax, we calculated for all the three tax brackets that were included in. These two are irrelevant because we make less than $150,000. And so to find our Ontario tax, we'll add it all up. So okay, let's do it somewhere where there's more space. 2279.671 plus 4130 plus 1083.9708. That is 789, 714.20. So 9, 18, 24. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 8, 16, 17, 18, 19, 2, 3, 4, 2, 6, 7. So this is our Ontario tax, $7,494.4093. which rounds to $7,494.41. So super cool. Now we have our federal tax over here and our Ontario tax over here. Now if we want to know our total tax, let's just add it all together and we're done. So 2911.70 plus 7494.41. So 1, 11, 4, 5, 6, 10. Cool, so this is our total tax, an addition of our federal tax and our provincial tax. Out of the $100,000 that we had to be taxed on, $25,406.11 of it goes to the government in order to fund the essential services they provide. Thanks for sticking around so long to actually go through all of this math and stuff. So we really hope that you kind of got a better understanding of the graduated tax system. And until then, goodbye. Have fun in your financial literacy journey.